Welcome to more IFC. It is what it is. Just look how this beautiful pocket, trouser pocket. I'm going to give you all the tips, the tricks, the fastest and the easiest way how to achieve this beautiful pocket. You can see how beautiful it is. I'm going to give you all the details that you need in achieving this beautiful pocket. It's more IFC. It is what it is. So without wasting much time, let's get started. So this is the front part of the trouser. You can see there are two. So the opening side is either you make it 1 inch or 1.5 inch or 2 inch or 2.5 inch. It's going to depend how wide you want yours to be. You can make it 2.5. I'm making mine 2 inches. And the length of the pockets, I'm going to make it 7.5 inches over there. Small IFC, it is what it is. I have different tutorial, different style trending. Do it and check it out. It's more IFC, it is. So we're gonna fold on that point, the point that we made. Then we iron on it. We need a line. This line is a guide. You can see the line there. That is a guide for you. That's where we're going to sew on top. IFC, it is what it is. So what are you waiting? Please give me a thumbs up. Give me a thumbs up. Comment, like, and share. Tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend about more IFC. It is what it is. You can see I'm folding to other part. What you do to the left, you do the same thing to the right. You have to go with the same measurement. Don't make here 6 inches and make here 6.5. Or 6 inches and make it 7 inches. The width, the length of the pockets, all of them have to be the same shape, same size. So this is the pocket itself, the holder, the pocket where you're gonna put your money. So this is 7 inches by 14.5 inches. So you can make it 15 inches if you want. There's no problem about that. You can make it 15 inches long. I'm trying to make it very simple and easy for you to understand, break it down the simplest way for you to understand and achieve the beautiful, and you can do it to any pocket that you want. So we're going to repeat the same thing we did on the trouser, repeat the same thing on this pocket. You make sure right side face each other, or wrong side face each other. I'm going to mark 2 inches over there and 7.5 inches over there. I'm going to fold it the same way I did, then I'm going to iron it. So I'm going to put fusing stiff exactly at the tip of the line that we did. Then you iron it. You do the same thing to the other side. Exactly at the line, you can see. We need these small pieces as well. It's important you get these small pieces as well. I'm going to show you what we're going to use that small pieces for. So you can either put stiff also here, like I said. You can either put it, or you maybe it's optional. You can put it, or you don't want to put it, don't put it. So you can see this is the trouser and this is the pocket. You just have to put on it right that. Right side facing each other, and we're going to sew exactly on the line that we made. Exactly on the line, as you can see, just at the tip of the fusing. You can decide to cut that one off. You can decide to leave it that way. So I'm gonna push it. You see the way I'm pushing it? Sorry, the camera was too bright over here, the light. You just have to push it like 0.3. IFC, It is what it is. So what are you waiting? Please give me a thumbs up. Give me a thumbs up. Comment, like, and share. Tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend about more IFC. It is what it is. You saw on top. We just push the inner pocket. The inner, we just push it. The place that we put stiff on that place, we just push it backwards 0.3 to any size that you prefer, to the size that you prefer. Then we sew on top to hold it down. Please, if you are new to the channel, do want to subscribe, like, and share, and comment, and click on notification bell. I post videos every Saturdays and Wednesdays, and sometimes if I couldn't able to post this on Saturday, I post this on Sunday. So please do want to check it out. I have a lot of styles. So I'm gonna mark 2 inches over here and made my curve. So I'm going to top stitch here to hold it down just a little bit, like 1/4 or 1/2 inch, and I'm going to do the same thing. This one have to go straight. I have different tutorial styles. I have different style. So do well and check it out. So you hold that one off, then you trim the unwanted part off. It's more IFC. It is what it is. So do want to subscribe, like, and share. Comment, ask question if you want to ask question. Compliment, like, share. Tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend. So we're going to measure 2 inches. Remember, we measure 2 inches, so you have to measure your 2 inches over there. Then you trim. You make your curve over there. If you have your French curve, use that one and use it. It's more IFC. So we're going to sew at the bottom, 1/4 inch. Then after that, we flip it inside and we sew inside as well. This is the inside of pocket, so you turn everything out. It's more IFC. It is what it is. So do want to subscribe, like, and share, and comment, and click on notification bell. Give me a thumbs up, guys. Give me a thumbs up. I post videos every Saturdays and Wednesdays, and sometimes on Sunday. If I couldn't able to post this on Saturdays, it is what it is. More IFC. You can see how beautiful the pocket is being done. So simple and easy way to go with this pocket. Nothing is hidden, nothing is hiding. So I'm going to take the small piece that I showed to you, the small piece. So we're going to work with the small piece. So look what I'm going to use the small piece for. This is the wrong side of it, so you just have to open. We are going to join the small piece with this one, with the pocket. Make sure you fold 1/2 each at the bottom. So I'm folding 1/2 each, you can see. Then you sew. It's more IFC. It is what. So this is how it should be, so that to hold the pocket down. So we're gonna stitch this part as well. If you have a question, do want to ask questions. I'll give you a response to that. And if you want to compliment, do compliment. If you like this video, do give me a compliment and give me a thumbs up. It's more IFC. It is what it is. You can see this is how it's supposed to be. So we're gonna join this part. That's the back part of the trouser, the back part of it. You just have to join it. Small IFC, it is what it is. Everything matched perfectly. So you're gonna come at the top of it, the opening side. You make top stitch, just a small one. You double it to hold that part strongly, and we'll do the same thing to the bottom side of here. Just have to sew like 1/2 inch top stitch. So we're done. Thank you guys. You can see how the pocket has been done. It's more IFC. It is what it is. So just give it an iron. Don't press it down, and everything gonna lie perfectly and smooth. It's more IFC. It is what it is. God bless everybody. See how beautiful it is. Me out. Check it out. Tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend about more IFC. It is what it is.